morning children. Let us see some numerical problems based on elevation of boiling point. So first I am reading the problem. Calculate the boiling point of a solution containing 0.456 gram of camphor. Molar mass is 152 gram. Dissolving 31.4 gram of acetone. Boiling point is given 56.30 degrees Celsius and Kb is given 17.2 per 100 gram of acetone. It is given for 100 gram of acetone. So now we can write here the Wb, that is the solute, mass of solute. Mass of solute is given 0.456 gram. Mb is the molar mass of the solute, that is 152 gram. Wa is the mass of solvent taken, that is equal to 31.4 gram, and boiling point of acetone is 56.30 degrees Celsius. Now according to the formula of elevation of boiling point, delta Tb is equal to 100, that is the amount of that is per acetone, that is per 100 gram of acetone. 100 into Kb into Wb upon mass of solute into the mass of solvent. Now place the values in this formula. This is 100 into Kb is 17.2 and the mass of solute is 0.456 upon 31. Molar mass is 152 and the mass of solvent is 31.4. When you calculate it, then you will get it is equal to 0.16 degree Celsius. Because we are taking here the difference between the two temperatures. So please do not convert it into Kelvin. So now here the boiling point of the solution, the boiling point of pure water, I think you all know, that is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. And then you add this elevation delta Tb into this, that is 0.16. Then it is equal to 101.6 degrees Celsius. You can also calculate in the Kelvin scale. Then here you will add 373 plus 0.16. Then you can get the boiling point in the Kelvin scale also. So this is the formula you all know, and all these quantities are given in the numerical problem. So this will become the boiling point of the solution. The boiling point is elevated by 0.1 degree Celsius, 16 degrees Celsius, that's right. It should be added to get the boiling point of the solution. This increase will be added to the boiling point, then you will get the boiling point of the solution. Now in the second question, a solution of glycerol, that is molecular formula is C3H8O3. Molar mass is also given 92 gram in water. Was prepared by dissolving some glycerol in 500 gram of water. And then the boiling point of the solution is given 100.42 degrees Celsius. Find out the mass of solute that is dissolved. And Kb for water is given 0.512 Kelvin kilogram per mole. That's why it is multiplied here by 100. Now see, this question was asked in 2010. This board question, CBSE examination question. Now solution of glycerol for molecular formula C3H8O3. The molar mass is also given, otherwise you can calculate the molar mass from the formula. But molar mass is given. So molar mass is given. Now again according to this formula, you will get Kb here. Kb into Wb upon molar mass into mass of the solvent. And then you will get this formula here, 500 upon 1000, because this you are writing in the kilogram. So 500 upon 1000 into 92 into 0.42 upon 0.512. So you will get Wb, because we are calculating here the Wb. Wb you have to calculate to find out the mass of the solute that should be dissolved. So we are calculating here the mass of the solute dissolved. So in the formula when you transpose here, so you will get this arrangement. So you can get 500 into 92 into 0.42 upon 1000 into 0.512, then it will be equal to 37.7 gram. So you can change here, actually this is the mass of the solute which is asked in the numerical problem. Clear? I am repeating, this is a solution of glycerol. Molar mass of glycerol is given 92 gram and the mass of solvent is given the 500 gram. Boiling point of the solution is given 0.42. So when you subtract it from 100, you will subtract the mass of the solvent from here, so you will get delta TB is equal to 0.42. Clear? Delta TB is equal to mass of boiling point of the solution minus boiling point of the solvent. So when you calculate the difference, then delta TB is equal to 0.42. So then we can calculate a WB 500 into 92 into 0.42 upon 1000 into 0.512, and your answer will be 37.7 gram.